loves that corner. Well, what is good, guys? I'm out on the Honda PC50 and I've hooked up a microphone. We're going to see how good this sounds. I've got it attached to my collar, so I don't know how good it's going to sound. We figured I might as well give it a go while I just dodge some of the gnarliest potholes in my local village. So yeah, I thought I'd just do a drive around. Nothing too crazy today. I just wanted to test this setup out and see if it's any good. But yeah, hopefully it works. So as I mentioned in my last video, there's loads of kind of one-way streets and stuff around me, which is actually pretty nice when you're on a bike. You don't have to worry too much about traffic, and it's pretty chilled around here. But yeah, the bike's running nice. There you go. I do feel like the clutch might be sticking a bit because I get a lot of engine braking when I'm stopping. But yeah, I'm also getting this weird issue where it just randomly bogs when I'm kind of flat out on the throttle. I think it could be a vacuum leak, so I need to investigate that. Jesus, this is the worst junction. Let's see if you can hear it now. So it's all good, it's all good. So yeah, I don't know if you could hear it then, but basically the engine just randomly kind of bogs for like a very, very split second. I think it could be a vacuum leak, like I say. I don't think it's a fuel supply issue, but I don't know. But I mean, yeah, she's going nice, like. That was kind of flat out and it still had a little bit left. Let's see if we can do this hill. Hey, that's alright. So yeah, I do need to set up a speedo. I'm going to get a mount for my phone and use my phone. But for the time being, I'm just kind of guessing. It's very slow off the line like this. Takes a little bit of time to get going, you can feel it. And it kind of kicks in here. Puts a big old smile on my face. So yeah, I've just looped around the same way because there looked to be a lot of traffic up that way. We'll figure out somewhere else to go, but yeah, this one isn't going to be too long. Just want to test that everything's working all right. Speed bump, suspension test. Yeah, doesn't feel great. And yeah, I'm using a GoPro Hero 7, which I'm actually amazed at the quality of the camera for its age. It does do 4K 60. The main downside being that it chews up batteries, this thing. So I've got 3 batteries for it, but it goes through them fast. I can't find my gloves. I don't know what the hell I've done with those, because usually I just leave them in the basket, but yeah, I don't know where they've gone. So that's the reason why I am currently gloveless, which I don't like, but I'll just be careful, I guess. Love that corner. A lot of fun. Still don't feel like that was flat out either. Yeah, I still feel like I was pulling then, so I need a good long stretch to try this out. I'll have a quick nip down here. Still seems to pull even right at the top, so I'm gonna have to get the phone hooked up and see how fast this thing can actually go. It's supposed to be about 28 miles an hour, but things feel a lot faster on bikes. I feel like that's going 30-ish. We'll have to get the GPS out and see what's what. Someone locked out of his car there. Paying for a locksmith to get him out of jail. But yeah, I'm really enjoying riding this bike. I mean, doing these vlogs was a ambition I had for like a year since I bought this bike, because that's what I wanted to do. It's taken a while to get to this point. Just because of getting it registered, getting it sorted, but yeah, I'm really glad to be on the road now. I just hope this all sounds good. Oh, she's quick. Feels great. And I think that'll pretty much do it for today, guys. So that was just a kind of test of the mic to see if it all works. I'm nearly back now, so I'll call it here. Jesus, this is a bit of a mess down here.